are 7235, which is a ocean suite, I guess what they're calling it. Alright. Very sizable. Took me a second to get the lights on. Looks like the regular stuff. Laundry stuff in the drawer. There's gonna be a fridge down here. Seen here. And just extra cabinet space. Lots of mirrors in here. Looks like a walk-in closet. In a prep area because, you know, I'm always primping. You know, it's a lot of work to look this good. It really is. So, FYI, let's see what's going on in here. Oh my goodness, it's a bathroom. Look at that. Double sinks because double sinks. And towels on the ceiling per normal. This one has a whirlpool tub, a little jetted tub. That's very unusual, but in the older ships, the suites have them. It's also a clothesline. We'll get rid of that. Seating area there. Seating area here. Pretty big couch. Seating area here. Bed. Not a bad looking TV. Looks like more storage space down here. Drawers. And hanging space. Shelving space. Let's go see what the balcony looks like. Look at that. It's got a little lounge chair. It's a pretty large balcony, actually. 2 chairs and a table. It's almost sad that there's only one person in this room right now. There's the bridge. Very nice. Let's go back inside. This is a very nice cabin. Okay, back at the entrance.